Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Here we have a MacBook 2015. We're going to put a laptop skin on it. Alright, so you can see how we are placing it. Okay, the MacBook 2015 that has a 8GB RAM and a 256 SSD. Alright, it's a client that wants it, and he has requested this kind of a customized laptop skin. Alright, this is what we are doing, and this is handled by Good News. Alright, he's doing very well. Alright, look at what he's doing. He will cut out each of the edges. After cutting out each of the edges, he has to use the heater, which is a lighter, to burn each of those edges smoothly. Alright, this is a very short work, alright, and a very simple one. Okay, there's no need of carving out the logo of the Mac. Alright, customers, that's what he wants. He doesn't want it to be carved out. Okay, so after that you are done. Alright, make sure you just carve each of the edges. It's a very simple and short work, and a very simple one, a short video. Okay, yeah, this is one of the simplest way of putting laptop skin cover, because when you have placed in your plain sticker very well without any bubbles on it, okay, after placing it, then what you have to do again, you have to just cut out the edges smoothly and place your blade or your razor on the edge of the surface while cutting it smoothly. It will give you what you want. Okay, it's as simple as that, and you can see how he's doing it. It's nice and nice. Alright, please do well to subscribe to the channel, follow me for more videos like this, and I'll be here to always give you and teach you how to fix your system and keep it in good shape, navigate through your system and have a good and a perfect shaped system in good shape. Alright, I'll see you next in my video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.